Looking for the best Hostinger coupon code in 2026 and want to get Hostinger at the lowest possible price? Then check the special discount link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. The current Hostinger maximum discount will apply automatically. On top of that, you can get an extra 10% discount by using the coupon code mentioned in the video description. So check the video description and make sure to apply the coupon code to get the additional discount. Now, I am not recommending Hostinger just for looking at its features. I personally use Hostinger for my own websites, and you can see my actual Hostinger hPanel dashboard on the screen right now. Once you open the Hostinger discount link, you will see the available hosting plans. Depending on the plan, Hostinger provides features such as free domain name for the first year, SSL certificate, professional email address, WordPress installation, AI website building tools, backups, and security features. One thing I particularly like about their hPanel: even if you are completely new to web hosting, managing websites, domains, emails, backups, and WordPress from one dashboard is very easy. And you can see that I have my own domain specific email address, contact@bloggingjoy.com, which I have created at free of cost with the help of Hostinger web hosting only. Now, which Hostinger plan should you choose? If you are starting your first blog, portfolio, or basic website, premium plan B should be enough for most of the beginners. If you are building a growing website, business site, or e-commerce store and want more resources and advanced features, I would choose business plan. And if you are running a higher traffic or more demanding website, Cloud Startup gives you significantly more resources along with the benefits such as dedicated IP or priority support. So my recommendation is simple. Premium plan is best for beginners, business is for growing websites, and e-commerce and Cloud Startup for more demanding websites. So I have been using Hostinger myself, so you are seeing the same hPanel environment that I use to manage all my websites. If you are planning to buy Hostinger, check the video description and click the link in the description. Make sure to apply the latest Hostinger coupon code, or else you can also scan the QR code on the screen and apply the coupon code to get the additional discount when purchasing Hostinger. Thank you for watching.